नमस्कार। आशा करता हूँ इस चुनौतीपूर्ण माहौल में आप स्वस्थ भी हैं और सुरक्षित भी। लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम भगवत गीता के 10वें अध्याय में आपका स्वागत है। पिछले एपिसोड में मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट बताने वाला हूँ इन द लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम भगवत गीता विच इज कॉल्ड DAVIPS, द VIPs। सो DAVIPS, द VIPs है क्या? तो अगर मुझे सक्सीड करना है लाइफ में तो ये द VIPs इज द मंत्रा जो मुझे इंश्योर करेगा कि मैं सक्सीड करूँ। D stands for doer और कर्ता, A stands for action or the activity, it is also called karma, V stands for the vision or the knowledge that one possesses, I stands for intellect, it is also called buddhi, P stands for patience or fortitude, and S stands for sukh or we can call it happiness. So let us take us the first of the VIPs, which is the D. So D is the doer or the karta. So doer is also now defined into three categories, which is sattvic, rajasic and tamasic. So let's look at all the three virtues first and then we'll discuss about it. So the first is sattvic karta. So how is a sattvic karta looks like? Mukta sango naham vadi dhrutyutsah samanvitah siddha siddhyor nirvikarah karta satvika uchyate. Mukta sango naham vadi. Mukta sangha, one who is free of sangha, which is attachment. Anahamvadi is free of ego also. Dhrutyutsaha samanvitaha. Dhruti in Sanskrit also means to hold on, It is also called patience or fortitude. We'll look at it when we go to patience in detail. As of now, it is patience or fortitude. Dhruti utsaha samanvitaha. Utsaha is excitement. Someone who is full of excitement. Samanvitaha, full of excitement. Siddhya siddhyor nirvikaraha. Siddhya is success. Asiddhya is when I don't meet success. Siddhya, asiddhya. Whatever is the result, whether it is success or the result is not as per my expectation, asiddhya nirvikaraha. I am not perturbed. I am not perturbed. That kind of a karta or doer is called a sattvic doer. So let's look at an example. In Ramayana, Hanumanji is there. And when Mata Sita was in Lanka and someone was to be sent to find out where she is, Hanumanji came forward that I'll go and find out. And he goes. So when he was going, Bhagwan Ram gives him his ring. And he goes to Lanka and he then burns down Lanka and then he comes back. And Bhagwan Ram was surprised because by birth Hanumanji was what? A monkey. And he asks Hanumanji, Bhagwan Ram asks Hanumanji that how did you go to that Lanka? How did you cross this sea? And he said that I didn't do anything. Hanumanji said, I didn't do anything. When I was going, आपने मुझे अपनी मुद्रिका दी थी और उस मुद्रिका पे अंकित था राम. So I drew my strength from that and I crossed the sea. अच्छा, how did you come back? He said, when I met Mata Sita and I gave her that mudrika, the ring, she gave me her chudamani to be given to you. So while coming back, I drew my strength from there. Again, in one of the episodes in Ramayana, when Lakshmanji was hit by that Shaktiban, by that missile, and he was lying unconscious, the doctor or the Vaidya said that he will need the life-saving drug or the Sanjeevani Booty. The Sanjeevani Booty is available in the Himalayas. And the war is happening of Ramayana was happening in down south, in Lanka. And then Bhagwan Ram was contemplating as to who can do this job. And Hanumanji came forward again. And he said that I'll go. But how soon can you come back? He asks him, and he says that if you have hot oil, and you put mustard seeds into that, the time it will take to crackle, I'll go and come back. That was the excitement. That is the utsaha. And that is what is required. Mukta sangona hamvadi. I'm not doing anything for myself. Free of ego. Attachment. Free of attachment. Mukta sangona hamvadi. Dhrutyutsaha samanvitaha. Siddhya siddhyor nirvikaraha. Karta satvika uchyate. Whether I succeed or I don't lose my cool. I maintain my equipoise. So that is sattvic karta. Now let's look at the rajasic karta. रागी कर्म फल प्रेप्सुः लुब्धो हिंसात्मको शुचिः हर्ष शोकान्वितः कर्ता राजसः परिकीर्तितः. Ragi karma phala prepsuhu, a person who has extreme attachment to whatever he or she is doing. Ragi karma phala prepsuhu, attachment to the karma phala, prepsuhu, desirous and hugely attached. Ragi karma phala prepsuhu, lubdho hinsatmako shuchi. Lubdha is greed, that he is greedily attached to the result of whatever she or he is doing. Lubdho hinsatmako ashuchihi. Hinsatmak, if he is not able to achieve what he or she has set out to achieve, he or she may even become violent in the pursuit. Ashuchihi, someone who is not pure. Ashuchi, Shuchi is pure, Ashuchi is impure, and someone who has ulterior motives. So on the surface, she or he may say something, but she or he may not be meaning that. Harsha shokanvitah karta, oscillating between harsha and shoka. So in a moment I am very happy, in a moment I am very sad. So something that happens as per my desire, I am very happy. Something the output is not as per my expectation, or I get sad. Harsha shokanvitah karta, rajasah parikirtitah. And the mool mantra of this kind of a person is that everything and anything that is happening around has to be as per my expectation. That's Rajasic Karta for you. Let's look at Tamasic Karta. So what is Tamasic Karta? Ayuktah prakritastabdah Shatho naishkrutikolasah Vishadi dirgha sutri cha Karta tamasa uchyate. It says Ayuktah, who is not integrated. Yuktah, which is integrated. Ayuktah, which is not integrated. Ayuktah Prakrutah is polluted, which is not pure. That is Prakrutah. Ayuktah Prakruta Stabdah is stubborn, unyielding, unbending. Stabdah. Shatha is wicked, cunning, cruel. Shatah. Naishkrutikah. So Naishkrutikah, how should I explain? Naishkrutikah is a person who hits on the livelihood of someone. Naishkrutikah. Even if an ant is going with a grain of sugar, this guy will snatch that grain from the ant. That's Naishkrutikah. Ayuktah prakrata stabdah Shatho naishkrutikolasah Vishadi dirgha sutri cha. Vishad is sadness. Vishad is gloom. Vishad is dejected. Vishad is depression. Vishad is sorrow. Vishadi dirgha sutri cha, and who has a long rope, who has a lot of time at hand, who has a long rope, meaning that who keeps on procrastinating things. So let us look at Ayuktah, Prakratah, Stabdah, Shatah, Naishkrutikah, Alasah, laziness, Vishadaha, and Dirgha Sutri. 8. So out of the 8, it is not necessary that I have to have all the 8 to become a Tamas Karta. Even 2 or 3 will do. So let's revise. So Satvik Karta is someone who is pure, someone who is free of attachment and ego, who is full of patience and is full of excitement, and who is not perturbed by anything, any output which is not, I know is not in my hand, and I don't get perturbed whether it is in line with my expectation or it is not. Rajasic Karta, I am extremely attached to the desirous of the fruit of action, and if it not happens, and it is greed that compels me, that I am attached to that fruit of action, and if it does not happen, I also become violent. One becomes violent on that, and Harsha Shokanvita. One moment I am very happy, other moment I am sad. So oscillating between happiness and sorrow. And then comes the Tamasic Karta, which says that Ayukta Prakrata Stabdaha, not integrated, polluted, stubborn, unyielding, unbending, Shataha, who is wicked, cunning. Naiskritikaha, someone who is hitting on the livelihood of people. Alasaha, laziness, Vishada, gloom, dejection, depression. Dirgha Sutri is long rope, procrastinating. Now, once you have understood who is the Sattvic Karta and what are the virtues of a Rajasic Karta and what are the virtues of a Tamasic Karta, or what comprises Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic, a lot of thoughts will go in our mind, and a lot of people will come in our mind that he fits in here, he fits in here, she fits in there. But that is not the way to look at these whole virtues, all the virtues. I have to identify where do I belong, whether I am a Sattvic Karta, whether I am a Rajasic Karta, or I am a Tamasic Karta. Only when I am identified with not a iota of bias, and I do it for myself, I identify where I belong, only then I will know where to work and how to work on it. The how part we will bring to you as we go along, but it is very, very essential to identify out of the three where do I belong. In the next episode, we'll bring in the karma, which is the action or activity, and that again is of Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Till then, stay safe, stay home and stay healthy.